So to hold my trusses down to the top of my header, I've cut these 2x6s with the same pitch as my truss on top. So it's a 4/12 pitch. These are going to get nailed between the headers with just enough sticking up so I'm just shy of the top of my truss, and then I can nail through it to secure the truss to the header. This part here will be between the headers, nailed to the headers, be sticking up enough to nail from the truss through this truss tie, and that'll tie the truss and the header all together. A 4/12 pitch is equal to 18.43 degrees. So I used the radial arm saw to cut these, and it was easy to get it close on the dial, on the indicator, on the radial arm saw. Then I just fine-tuned it to get the right pitch. Okay, to lay out my trusses, I've stretched the long tape all the way down the top of the header. My trusses are going to be from the outside edge. They're going to be 2 foot on centers all the way down. And then I've got my tie-in board here, my truss tie. So that's going to go just to one side of my truss, and I'm going to put it on the inside of where I'm going to start flipping the trusses up. So if I flip these trusses up, I want it to flip up on this side of the board so I don't have to lift it over. So I've marked the height. So this sits just below my truss, and I'm just going to nail it in. Make sure it's plumb, which I drew a line there. And I'll just keep moving on down the line, marking my trusses and installing my truss ties. So you can see where a truss sits right on a pole. I just use the Sawzall to notch the pole to create a truss tie instead of installing a truss tie like that.